Silksong stays on syncing data or shows can't sync data with cloud right now on PC. This guide walks you through real safe fixes. Refresh Xbox Store tokens, repair reset apps, WSRESET, reinstall gaming services, correct time/region, flush the network stack, clear stale Xbox credentials, and, if needed, refresh the WGS Cloud Save cache with backup. Follow the steps in order and get back to Pharloom.